Hey everybody, it's Harlan here. I am really happy to tell you that I am looking at a copy of the book, Completely Keto Cookbook. And you know what? It came out better than I ever expected. The pictures are just really, really incredible. Trying to get that in the camera there. The book is full color. You've got recipes here that we did not include on the site, not going to include on the site. Just really gorgeous. Gorgeous it came out. It's big, so it's easy to use in the kitchen. And the ingredients are on one side, the instructions are on the other side. There's a picture for every recipe here. And gosh, it's hundreds of 175 recipes to be precise. Here's my world famous cheesecake there with all of the instructions. And we've got just amazing recipes. Here's our famous pecan pie recipe. That's very, very popular. And of course, the ice creams, but also recipes you've never seen before. So folks, here's my grandmother's blintz recipe. Yes, it is. It is phenomenal. If you're not a blintz fan, you will be. You will be. So the books are now in. I am going to immediately order copies of the books. Once the books are in, they're going to be signed and sent to you. We are pretty much on time where I want it to be. You are going to be delighted when you get this cookbook. It is fantastic. So, folks, thanks for pre-ordering it. It's going to be on its way to you, and it's going to be worth the wait. Remember, every person who orders the cookbook is going to get a special secret recipe that's not even printed in the book, and the book is going to be signed by me. So this is going to be terrific. You're going to be so happy. We're so excited that we got them today, and we're going to get them to you just as soon as possible. Thanks for your patience. You're going to love the cookbook.